I'm just getting started to weld this bar on my, I got a twin turbo 240 that has an LS engine in it, and I chopped off the front of the car and I'm making a whole new front end with tube, and this holds my front core support, this bar right here. It's going to hold the rad, the intercooler, the headlight mounts, the hood pins are all going to be based off this bar. So I already welded one side. I have this side to go. I'm halfway tacking it up, so I'll show you guys just a little bit of welding on it. This is 1 inch, and the mounts are 1/4 inch steel. So this is 1 inch tube. Fupa cup, 2530 CFH, 150 amps. Obviously, I'm not going to use all of it. So that side is tacked. I'm tacking with 35 and I'm welding with 1/16. You can use ER70-6, 3, whatever you want. I'm just using 309 here, stainless 309. And I'm running straight current, no pulse or anything. And I tacked these on the car for the position with MIG on the 2 corners, so the corners are not going to look pretty, but it's all going to get powder coated when I'm done anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm just going heavy on the heat so I penetrate real good. This is 1/8 inch or 125 wall tubing too. It's not much weld, it's like 1/2 inch. It's like 1/2 inch on each joint. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 joints total on each side. This is gonna be kind of tricky. Gotta use all sorts of things when you're welding to get comfortable or to get that angle for propping and stuff. Couple more joints left and should be everything. it's done. I'm gonna let it cool off, mount it on the car, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what that looks like. Excuse the car, it's a mess right now, but two frame holes right here. I have them slotted on the bottom so you can slide in and out. Same with the slots here, and it's solid, it's not going anywhere. And the headlights mount here and here, and then I'm gonna make eventually little mounts here. But the rad lines are perfect. These are the tabs for it. And yeah, this is just a mock-up rad. I'm not using this one, but you gotta excuse the mess. This was a twin turbo, but I'm changing the setup. I'm going to a big single turbo, so I'm still cutting everything up and trying to make it fit. But I want the car to look semi-stock. That's why I put the stock rad support on it. So she's getting there. All right, that's it. Thanks. Just loosely bolted. That's gonna be about right there, and then I'm gonna make mounts on the inside here that come from those tabs. I'm gonna weld little rods back up under here, so it's gonna look pretty much stock. But yeah, we're getting there.